This is the Woodford 15037 complete head. So it'll come with, of course, the head, handle, straps here. It'll also come with the clevis rod, the graphite packing, and the connector right here. And then that brass O-ring. So we'll take these out of the bag and get measurements of each individual part for the head. First, we'll start with some measurements of the complete head. So we'll get a total height, so we'll measure from this portion here to the top here. Lay it sideways to make it a little bit easier. So total height's right at about 7 3/4 inches. Try to get a measurement of the handle as well. And about a total length of 4.5, almost 4 3/4 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter here, and they are internal female threads for the connecting. And then we'll measure from these two flat squared pieces there, with an outside diameter of about 2 inches and an inside diameter right at the threads right at 1 inch. And then we can measure the threads of the spout as well. You can see the outer diameter there at the spout right at about 1 inch as well. And we'll measure the clevis rod. It is brass. You see it's got a few threads there. It's got 1, 2, 3, about 5 threads. Get a total measurement of that tip to tip. Right there at the end of the threads, right at about 3 3/4 inches. The diameter of this brass ring, so that's right above 1/2 inch. And that hex nut there measuring right above 3/4 inch. And then the graphite packing with a measurement almost right at 3/4 inch as well. And once again, this is the Woodford 15037 complete head.